Okay lang ako. Parang sakit na ng ulo ko.
Second.
Pass away. Oh, you must away. It has
Later, go upstairs and lean to left, turn left, then this is the temple. You will go through the temple. This is the entry. This is the main trail. And they have a fence in both two sides, and in the grassland you can see the wild buffalo. Go to the end, the peak, you can decide go the somewhere back, or make a big round, come back here. So if you go big around, maybe we need 70 minutes. So it's okay if you want to do that. Go the same way back. Maybe we spend in 50 minutes. Yeah.
maybe we just go back. Yes.
Up to you. So someone like hiking, someone like just sightseeing. Okay, we see you at the parking.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Have fun.
I was born ready.
Yes. I was born to be wild. Yay! Happy birthday.
There's no birthday. It has passed away.
It has passed away. Hindi mamaya pa, kaya ko pa.
Yun o.
How about you, my loves?
Hindi, naglalakad tayo tsaka ano eh, kaya mainit.
Ano, ito lang na may pataas is straight na lang daw pag ito. So foggy.
Dito ako sa akin ano.
Hindi naman.
Ay, yun yung ano. Ay, kala ko yun na yung temple eh. Hindi pa pala.
Parang nga mo yun. Ganito siguro ang feeling ng mga malabo ang mata.
Bakit?
Parang may fog.
Ang ganda rin pala, wala masyadong tao, no?
Oo naman.
Buti na lang.
Ano?
Arahan ang hapin ko na at sayang. Hiling ko nakakagaling ko ng sipol.
Ilamig. Hindi naman malamig eh.
Hindi kasi lalakad tayo na ano.
Ano ko lang. May rubber mat.
Hinihingal ka na lang.
Alam mo kasi love eh. My body is... I don't know what to do.
Nagiging enjoy.
Oh my God, ang lamig dito. Oh, it's a temple. It's a temple.
Sarap. Ganda dito na no?
Hindi kita. Oo nga love.
Sige.
Sa Buffalo.
Buffalo wings.
You take a picture of the buffalo.
Yes, yes. Hello, buffalo. Hello.
Buffalo here as you.
Hindi ba ako yun? Hindi ikaw yun. Dapat magtakbo ako dito kasi para hindi malamig.
Bakit na lang yung jacket mo?
Oh.
Malaki kasi yun eh.
Ay, kung ilagay ko na to para isahan.
Papalupot ko sa legs ko. Ay, wag na. Gusto
Bakit?
ko to. It will mess the outfit. Sige, love lead. Thank you po.
Hindi ako na. Ako naman ito na. Para yung
Patingin ang
agad
video.
out mo. Wala, ano lang to. Kaya
Patingin
lang.
nga.
Patingin. Isa pa.
Mm.